Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the adjustment for reverse parking. So a lot of people, they do mistake when they go for the test. You can use your camera while backing up, but make sure that you will check your surroundings too. Because a lot of people, they focus into the camera only and they get fail. So if you will look into the camera, so the camera gonna give you the view from the back, but not from the sides. So we have to make sure that we will check our both side blind spots, and we have to check our rear view mirror as well. As you can see that in this video, we have more space on right hand side. So whichever side we have more space, we have to turn the wheel to that direction. You can check in side mirrors, we have more space on right hand side. So now we will turn our wheel to the right hand side one time, and then we will go back slowly. So when you're backing up, make sure that you will keep checking your surroundings as well. Both side blind spots, you will check your rear view mirror as well. Just keep eye everywhere. And once your car is inside the line, so how you will get to know that your car is inside the line? So the blue line is my car angle. So that means my car positioning is into the line. So what I will do now, I will start recovering my wheel. So the yellow line is showing my tire position. So start recovering your wheel slowly and go back slow like turtle. Don't go fast. And as soon as your car is inside the box, you will stop the vehicle. Look straight, make sure that your car is straight. You will recover your wheel and you will go back slowly and keep checking your surroundings. Go slow like turtle, don't go fast. Your foot has to be on the brake. It shouldn't be on the gas pedal. And stop at the correct position. Then you will put in park and turn on the parking brake. Now we're going to do the adjustment for left hand side. So you can see that we have more space on left hand side. So we will turn our wheel to the left hand side. You can see into side mirror as well that we have more space on left hand side. So we will turn the wheel to the left hand side and we will move back slowly. And once our car is into the lanes, we will stop the vehicle and we will start recovering the wheel. So now you can see that we are inside the line. Start recovering your wheel slowly and keep checking your surroundings as well. And straight up your wheel and stop at the correct position. Then you will put in park and turn on the parking brake.